Tollens test. We learned that aldehydes are easily oxidized to carboxylic acids containing same number of carbon atoms. What is the reason? Aldehyde, if you take aldehyde, when you treat with an oxidizing agent, the H which is bonded to carbonyl group will be converted to OH and you will get a carboxylic acids having same number of carbon atoms. Because there is no cleavage of carbon-carbon bond here, there is only cleavage of carbon-hydrogen bond. So, oxidation of aldehydes takes place even with mild oxidizing agents like Tollens reagent. I'm again repeating, aldehydes on oxidation will give carboxylic acids. What is happening here? The CH bond is converted to COH bond. Means there is cleavage of CH bond here, which takes place even in the presence of mild oxidizing agents like Tollens reagent. And you will get carboxylic acids having same number of carbon atoms. Now what is Tollens reagent? Tollens reagent is ammonical solution of silver nitrate. Ammonical solution of silver nitrate is Tollens reagent. So when aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent is reduced to metallic silver. Means Tollens reagent is reduced to metallic silver means silver will get deposited on the walls of the test tube as a bright silver mirror. So when aldehyde is heated with Tollens reagent is reduced to metallic silver, which gets deposited on the walls of the test tube as a bright silver mirror. Now let us see the reaction of aldehyde with Tollens reagent. When aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Ammonical solution of silver nitrate, which can be represented like this. When aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent or heated with the Tollens reagent, you will get a bright silver mirror on the walls of the test tube. Means silver gets deposited on the walls of the test tube as a bright silver mirror. Means silver is getting reduced and aldehyde will get oxidized to give corresponding carboxylic acids. So this is the reaction. Tollens reagent test means when aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent. What is Tollens reagent? Ammonical solution of silver nitrate. This is Tollens reagent. When aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent will get reduced to give a silver mirror. This is deposition of silver. This is called silver mirror. You will get a silver mirror and the aldehyde will get oxidized to corresponding carboxylic acids. So here both aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes reduce Tollens reagent. Again I am repeating, ammonical solution of silver nitrate is Tollens reagent. When aldehyde is treated with Tollens reagent, you will get a deposition of silver on the walls of the test tube. Means we will get a silver mirror. Both aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes give Tollens reagent